So you might be in this really random situation where for some reason Instagram went through and suspended your account. Now, this can happen with, for a couple of different reasons, but you first want to really understand if you did something crazy on your Instagram account. Did you recently post a really interesting story? Did you go against their terms of service in any way? Were you leaving harassment comments? Anything like that? If you're constantly going through and if you're going against their terms of service that you agreed with when you made an Instagram account, then that is going to be the main way that this is going to happen. Also, if a ton of people report your account, that's going to make your account suspended. Now, what this basically means if your account is suspended, it says your account doesn't follow our community guidelines. If we can't, confirm your account, it will be permanently disabled. This account isn't visible to people to Instagram right now, and you can't use it. Now, if you did go against their community guidelines, then there's really not much you can do. You can make a new account, but there's not really too much you can do because you're not going to be able to appeal it. But if this was an accident, if this was some reason a mistake, then right at the very bottom of this particular pop-up right there's a little button that tells you that you disagree with this decision. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and tap onto this button right there. So what that's going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to explain to Instagram exactly what happened. You can tell them that, hey, I was literally nothing. I didn't do anything wrong. You have to look into my account. So they'll look into your account. They'll tell you what's going on. They'll kind of break it down from there. And that kind of is basically all that's going to have to happen. So at that point, you should be good to go. You won't really have to do anything. And then, as long as they look at your account, they'll probably see that there's nothing wrong with it if that's true. And then they'll appeal it, and then you'll have your account back. So that's basically how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.